If you're serious about learning cybersecurity, finding the right course can make all the difference. So whether you're a beginner or an expert, a good course is going to teach you everything that you need, from the basics to advanced techniques in protecting networks and data. So let's dive into the best cybersecurity courses available. All right, here we go. So we have Cybrary, okay? Cybrary, I'll put this all in the description, offers a comprehensive range of cybersecurity courses from beginner to expert level. Their courses cover topics like ethical hacking, network security, and risk management. Udemy has some of the best rated cybersecurity courses, including the complete cybersecurity course, Hackers Exposed. It's ideal for beginners, teaching you everything that you need to know about staying safe online and protecting your network. All right, so that's the second one. Third one is Coursera. Coursera partners with universities like Stanford and University of Maryland to offer full programs in cybersecurity. You can even earn certifications upon completion, which can boost your career opportunities. EC Council offers the Certified Ethical Hacker, the CEH course, a globally recognized certification for those interested in ethical hacking. It's one of the most respected courses in the industry. LinkedIn Learning provides a variety of short, in-depth courses in cybersecurity, from basic concepts to more advanced topics like penetration testing and digital forensics. All right? So, choosing the right course is going to help you build a strong foundation in cybersecurity and open up plenty of career opportunities in this growing field. If you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.